crib into the sentence.
Ready?
Zap!
Okay.
Let's read.
All right.
Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 men in a crib.
Oh, poor man. Poor, he's
Does
crying.
crib sound like dub?
Does it work?
No. No. Crib, dub, crib. They don't sound the same.